Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix iPhone lagging or slow working on iOS 17 after update. So how to fix this problem? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. Fix this problem. So first of all, you have lagging your iPhone. So first solution, you have restart your iPhone. So volume up button and then volume down button. Press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 5 to 10 seconds wait and then your mobile is restart. And then first solution is not working, then second solution, you have close unused background app. So you have used some apps, then unused, then you have photos, then uh, two or three apps, some camera, and then you have setting open, then 3 4 apps is unused background app, then you have background app, then unused app is close from here and then delete. And then other solution, disable background app refresh. So you have go to the setting and then you have scroll up, then you have click on general and then you have click on background app refresh, and he is turned off. I have already turned off, and then you have should be must turn off, then fix this issue. So that other solution, you have update or delete app that keep iPhone lagging or slow working. Then we have updated the commonly used apps and then delete those unused apps on your iPhone. In addition, check if you have downloaded some app new and unknowns to your systems, because some of may do harm of your iPhone system. And keep your iPhone running abnormally. Delete the app which make your iPhone lagging and slow working. You will find your iPhone running more quickly and seamlessly. So then other solution, you have clear history from Safari. Send you then again open the setting and then scroll up, then you have Safari, click on here, then scroll up, then you have check the clear history and website data, then you have clear from here. And then other solution, you have turn on reduce motion, then you have reduce motion, then you have again open the setting and click on accessibility, and then you have click on uh, click on here touch, and then sorry, then you have click on motion and then reduced motion is turn on. I have already turned on, then you have turn on. Then last solution, we have update iOS latest version. So you have again open the setting and click on general and then software update iOS latest version on your iPhone is available. Then your problem will be fixed and 100% working, not problem lagging or slow working on iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel.